Okay guys, I'm doing this video about the new generation of Pioneer stereos. This is the Pioneer avh240ex. This is the new models they've been releasing after the inventory shortage, where you cannot find no Pioneer at all, or if you find it, it's gonna be super expensive. Not same as before, how it used to be before. I'm sorry for my bad English. I'm trying, but I gotta tell you this: I'm installing for 20 years. I've been installing Pioneer product for too many years, and I'm making this video to let you guys know the Pioneer is not the same anymore. So they put these new models avh240ex, but the sound quality is garbage. It's totally garbage. So it doesn't have the same settings before. It doesn't have the same menus that it used to have before, the previous models. As you see, the equalizer is the same 13 bands, but it's not as crispy sound as it used to be before. This thing looks like a cheap imitation of Pioneer. This is totally garbage. Do not fall for it. Do not buy this thing. It's not good anymore. So this is for all new generation Pioneers. This one is already installed, but if I pull it, you can see the quality of the chassis. It looks like a cheap Chinese radio. Its quality is horrible. Don't fall for it. Let's wait to see if Pioneer get this thing fixed or better quality, because we are not going to buy this thing. I'm not gonna recommend this garbage to my customers, because this is totally garbage. Do not buy this thing. avh240ex. Do not buy this thing. It's horrible quality.